Okay. Good morning, everyone. So before we begin and before I introduce myself to you, let me share a few house rules to make our live session manageable and conducive to learning. Okay? So first, yun nga po, challenging talaga since magkakaroon pa tayo ng live sessions in the coming days. I would like to request everyone to use your complete name kapag magla-login kayo via Zoom. Kasi yun lang po yung paraan namin to track your attendance per live plenary coaching session. If you are having a hard time changing your name, ano lang po, chat lang po kayo ng complete name nyo and then kami po bahala mag-rename sa inyo. Okay? So that's one. Para po sa susunod na live plenary coaching session, hindi na po tayo mag-change ng name and mag-accumulate ng time. Next house rule is please make it a habit to mute your audio upon entering the Zoom meeting. Though naka-mute naman po yun sa settings namin, pero may mga ilan-ilan pa rin siguro na-unmute. But yun nga po, take the initiative na lang to unmute your microphone para hindi din po maistorbo yung ibang participants. And then, if you have questions, paki-type lang po sa chat box. And then I'll address one by one later after the orientation. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you, everyone, for your interest to join the Sulong Trabaho free training program initiated by Bayan Academy. Ako po pala si Charlene Aban. I am a program officer from Bayan, and I will be your training coordinator for the entire duration of the course, starting today, December 7, until December 11 on Friday. Kasama ko po dito sa course orientation, yung colleague ko, si Miss Jody San Victores, program officer din po from Bayan Academy. So, okay, wag na po natin patagalin. Let's proceed with the professional upskilling course orientation and demo. Kaya po kami nag-conduct ng orientation is number one, magkaroon kayo ng idea sa magiging flow ng program, sa magiging daloy ng training. Ano ba yung mga specific activities na nangyayari sa day 1, 2, 3, and so on. Para po aware kayo and ma-plot nyo na rin sa schedule ninyo. Though, we already sent via email yung schedule of activities, right? So, para meron na rin po kayong idea kung ano yung mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. But later, I will discuss it to you in detail. Next reason kung bakit po tayo may orientation is maturuan kayo kung paano ma-access yung mga modules, learning materials sa inyong learning management system o LMS. I know most of you already activated your accounts. May nagbe-message po sa akin na natapos na nila yung free training activities, which is good. But for some na bago po sa kanila yung LMS, please take this opportunity para medyo magamayin nyo po kung paano para ma-familiarize po kayo kung paano gamitin yung learning management system ng Bayan Academy. Kasi most of the learning modules, not most, all of the learning modules, doon po nakalagay yung mga worksheets, mga videos. Para po doon sa mga kasama sa Facebook, di ba meron tayong Facebook group, kung makikita ninyo, napopost po doon yung ibang worksheets and ibang lecture notes. However, to make the most out of the training, para po since free ito, i-take advantage na po natin lahat ng pwede nating matutunan. Nasa learning management system po talaga lahat ng learning materials. Wala pong video lectures sa Facebook group. And then, Third reason or the third purpose for conducting this orientation is ipaalam sa inyo yung iba't ibang opportunities na makukuha ninyo kapag successfully ninyo natapos itong professional upskilling course. So now let me share my screen. I'm sorry, may mga nagre-raise po ng hand. Sir Tonying, Miss Mia, Miss Beverly, Sir Jeffrey, may concerns po kayo before ko i-share yung screen? You can unmute po kapag tinawag ko yung names ninyo. May concern po ba or napindot lang? Okay. Noted. Okay, no worries po. Wala pong problema. Okay, i-share ko na po yung screen ko. Alright. Nakikita naman po lahat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Ano nga ba ang Sulong Trabaho Free Training Program? So, kung nakita po ninyo, I think most of you, kaya po kayo nakapag-register sa training na ito, is nakita niyo yung ad, Facebook ad, or yung poster namin about this training program. So, nakalagay po doon na ito pong professional upskilling, ginawa po ito talaga para sa mga retrenched employees, yung mga nawalan ng trabaho, saka nawalan ng hanap buhay due to the pandemic. So, the purpose of this program is to ensure that ito pong unfortunate situation na meron tayo ngayon becomes an opportunity for you guys to get back on track stronger and with a clearer personal purpose. Yung training program po na ito ay para sa mga interesadong magtayo ng sariling negosyo and maiangat yung skills sa paghahanap at pagkuha ng bagong trabaho. We want to share to you yung mga opportunities na maaari ninyong makuha kapag natapos ninyo itong libreng 5-day professional upskilling course. Okay. But before that, ito po yung magiging schedule natin. It is a 5-day professional upskilling course na nagsisimula ngayon, December 7, and matatapos on December 11, Friday. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. po ito. Combination of asynchronous and synchronous learning, or in short, blended learning po siya. Meaning, yun nga po, gagamit tayo ng learning management system. Meron po doon mga pre-recorded videos. You can do it at your own pace. But the only requirement is magawa po ninyo yun, magawa po ninyo yung mga activities doon bago magsimula yung plenary coaching session na mangyayari at the end of the day. Okay? So later po papakita ko po sa inyo yung detailed schedule and activities. So 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. po tayo. So what's in it for me? Ano nga ba ang makukuha ko sa pagsali sa Sulong Trabaho free training program? First, Yan. Makakatanggap po kayo ng e-training certificate na magpapatunay na natapos ninyo yung course. And maaari nyo pong ilagay itong certificate na ito or include ito as one of your credentials sa inyong resume. Ipapadala po namin ito via email, dun po sa registered email dun po sa email address na ni-register ninyo sa amin. Okay, and then, yung mga graduates po ay bibigyan ng access sa aming Oplan Trabaho Facebook group o One Plan for Labor Alignment and Networking. So ano nga bang makikita natin sa Facebook group na ito? Meron po siyang mga job postings kasi meron po kaming mga partner companies. So lahat po ng mga available jobs from their end, sinesend po nila sa amin. And then what we usually do is pinopost po namin siya dyan sa Oplan Trabaho Facebook group para lahat po ng members na interesadong mag-apply for those positions, ayun po, ma-notify about it. Meron din po, aside from job postings, meron din po mga live sessions doon. Tulad nito, may mga webinar links din for free and mga TESDA scholarship trainings din po for free kasi partner agency din po ng bayan ang TESDA. Next, we'll also give you access sa 1PH Facebook group. Ito naman po is focused on entrepreneurship. 1PH stands for Organized Network of Entrepreneurs. So, from the word itself, inorganize po siya para sa mga business owners, sa mga social entrepreneurs, and para dun po sa mga aspiring social entrepreneurs and business owners. Meron din po doon mga webinar and training links about entrepreneurship and mga negosyo tips. So yung isa po is, yung isang Facebook group is yung Oplan Trabaho, focus po siya on employment. Ito naman pong 1PH is focus siya on entrepreneurship. Okay, for a while. Next. Okay. As I've mentioned earlier, yung training program po na ito ay para sa mga interesadong magtayo ng sariling negosyo or para sa mga gusto pa ulit mga nawalan ng work or na-retrench pero gusto pa ulit maghanap ng better employers in the future. So makakatulong po itong course na ito. Yung mga topics na patungkol sa entrepreneurship or patungkol sa negosyo ay dinisenyo based po sa curriculum ng Ateneo Graduate School of Business. In fact, yung mga lecturers ng mga videos na mapapanood ninyo sa LMS, some of them are professors from Ateneo. Also, later po, yung facilitator natin for the plenary coaching session at 3 to 4 p.m., si Mr. Rodmark Bariga is a graduate of Master in Entrepreneurship Program and Social Enterprise Development from the AGSB, from the Ateneo Graduate School of Business. So, I just wanted to reiterate na hindi po porket free itong training program is mema program lang po yung bayan, no? So, in-effortan din po namin ito. Sana, kaya yung expectations namin sa participants is yung commitment din po ninyo na matapos yung training is nandoon din. Yung ilan naman po sa mga topics under employment ay resource and networking, job hunting, as basic as resume and curriculum vitae writing, acing a job interview, at marami pa pong iba. So I'm just giving you a preview kung ano po yung mga matututunan nyo for this training. So here's the catch. Kanina ko pa po binabanggit yung yung graduates eh. Yun nga po. Paano po ba ninyo mako-consider yung sarili nyo as graduates? You will be tagged as a graduate of this training program and you will be able to receive all the benefits na mention ko kanina if you finish all the modules. Para po dun sa mga nakakita na sa LMS, di ba po, nahati siya into 6 modules. Day 0, which is the onboarding module. Some of you completed it already. Meron po tayong day 1 module na pwede nyo na pong ma-access ngayon. Na-up na po siya, na-unlock na po siya as early as 6 a.m. kaninang umaga. So you have time until 3 p.m. today bago tayo mag-plenary coaching session para matapos yung day 1 module. And then the day 2 module, ma-unlock siya later in the afternoon in preparation naman po para bukas. So you have to finish all the modules and mamomonitor po namin yon from time to time. And then, yun po, ma-identify namin kung sino po talaga yung nakatapos. And just a heads up, you don't need to submit to us, di ba meron po mga worksheets? You don't need to submit to us yung mga answers ninyo sa mga exercises. It's for your own personal use. Ang purpose po nun is for you to take note kung ano yung results nung exercise na ginawa ninyo. Kasi doon po iikot yung topics o yung pag-uusapan during the plenary coaching session na mangyayari. Bale, ay ka-clarify ko lang, yung purpose po ng plenary coaching session is hindi po mag-discuss ng topics. Since ano nga po, ang kaharap nyo the entire time is LMS, pre-recorded videos. So, pag may mga tanong kayo, wala po kayong pagtatanungan agad-agad kasi wala naman pong live lecture during that time, right? So, we want you to take note of your questions and then yung live plenary coaching session every 3 to 4 p.m., yun po yung magiging venue para erase yung lahat ng concerns ninyo, insights, and parang share, venue for you to get to know each other para makapag-share ng knowledge ninyo and natutunan ninyo dun sa module na inaral ninyo for that day. Okay. So, ito po yung schedule, yung latag ng mangyayari. So, for day 1, which is today, self-assessment module. So, 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. is the course orientation. So, I only have 1 minute. Mabilis na lang naman po ito. And then, ayan, 10:30 to 12 noon, ayan po yung topics, full brain learning, quadrant brain dominant, and 16 personalities. Ayan, 1 to 3 p.m., skills inventory. And then 3 to 4 p.m., ito po yung live plenary coaching session natin, self-assessment. Later po ito, same Zoom link po ang gagamitin with Sir Rod Mark Bariga. And then on day 2, kung mapapansin po ninyo, wala po muna tayong coaching session. So, pure asynchronous learning po ang mangyayari tomorrow. The topic is on personal finance management and introduction to entrepreneurship. And then, on day 3, ayan po, meron po tayo ulit live session, same time, same Zoom link. Enterprise development naman po yung topic. And day 4, wala po tayong coaching session. Ang topic naman po on day 4 is relevant employment opportunities. And then on day 5, yan, meron po tayong coaching session and magkakaroon po tayo ng mga ng mini graduation. Magkakaroon tayo ng mini graduation para sa mga until day 5, para sa mga matitibay na until day 5 is present pa rin sa ating training. So, hopefully, until day 5, andito pa rin po kayo. And then, yan na po yung pinaka-finale. So, ang day 5 po is preparing for employment. Anyway, nasa LMS din po ito. Nakapost siya. Nakapost yung latag niya. Okay. Mamaya po ako sasagot ng queries after natin. So, I'll proceed with the ayan. As I've said, meron tayong live plenary coaching session 3 to 4 p.m. via Zoom. Ang schedule po ng sessions natin ay December 7, 9, and 11. So, same Zoom link po tayo. Okay. So, ayan. Paano nga ba pumunta sa LMS para ma-access ang course? So, papakita ko na po sa inyo yung demo. As I've mentioned, dun po sa mga nagtatanong via text, via email, kung about the link, kung paano mapunta sa LMS, kung paano mag-activate ng account. I always remind you na baka nasa spam folder po, or baka nasa all mail or nasa updates folder. So for example, ito, punta ako sa inbox. Yan. So, mapapansinin nyo parang, sabi ni Miss Cha, na-email na sa amin yung link going to the LMS, wala naman sa inbox. Minsan po kasi naliligaw siya, pwede siyang punta sa spam. Okay. So, ayan. For example, yan. Ang subject po is course invitation. And then, yung email is from bayanacademy.edu. You just have to click on that. And then, click nyo lang po yung get started. Pag click nyo po yung get started, para lang siyang Facebook. You just need to create an account, assign a username. Username po is yung registered email address niyo, and then your chosen password. And then mag-a-ask lang po ang system ng mga personal details about you. So kapag nakakapag-create na po kayo ng account, ganito na po yung nagiging itsura niya. You just have to go to this website or to this web address, lms.bayanacademy.edu.ph. Okay? I-type nyo lang po yan sa Google browser ninyo or sa any browser, lms.bayanacademy.edu.ph. And it works perfectly and the same with those using mobile smartphones and yung mga iPads, tablets, same lang din po yan. Pero syempre, mas madali po for those people na may laptop. So, ayan, you just have to type in yung email and then yung password. Tapos, click nyo lang yung login. And then, pagpasok nyo po dito, makikita nyo ito. You have been invited to join Sulong Trabaho Professional Upskilling Course December 7. You just have to click accept. Okay. And then, mag-a-appear na po siya as one of the course cards. Pero don't worry, hindi naman po kayo malilito kasi isang course card lang po yung mag-a-appear sa inyo. Unlike sa akin, ang dami na. So, ito po siya. Nasa huli. Ito. Sulong Trabaho Professional Upskilling December 7. So, you just have to click on this specific course card. And then, mapoprompt na po kayo dito sa page na ito. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, most of you guys completed this portion of the module already, yung Day 0 course onboarding, and may nakakapagsagot na ng pre-test and pre-training exercise. So, punta po tayo dito sa ayan. So, ito po yung welcome page. Nakikita niyo yung schedule for the day. And then, after reading this portion, you just have to click next. Para, ayan, and then, ito po yung sinasabi naming pre-test na you need to answer kasi ipapadala namin sa facilitator yung result para alam niya kung paano niya i-handle magka-idea siya kung paano niya i-handle yung plenary coaching session later. And then, click next again. Pagtapos nyo na pong sagutan yung survey, ayan, tapos magkakaroon na kayo ng access sa mga pre-training exercises. Yan, pag sinabing pindutin ng link na ito, pindutin nyo lang po siya. And then, automatic na po siyang ma-download. Ayan, makikita niyo po dito. Automatic siyang ma-download sa inyong laptop or whatever gadget you are using. And then, yun, pwede niyo na po siyang i-access at sagutan. For those na, sabi, wala po silang enable to edit, diba po, parang wala pong enabled editing. No problem. Ang madalas ko na lang po ina-advise para hindi maging komplikado is to write your answers na lang on a piece of paper. Not necessarily naman po na dyan mismo nito ilagay yung sagot. And then, yun po, i-take note nyo lang yung results since yun nga po yung pag-uusapan sa plenary coaching session. And then, ayan, yung 16 personalities na pre-work exercise. And then, kapag nasagutan nyo na po yan, you just have to click next. And then, ayan, mapoprompt na po kayo sa day 1. So, day 1 schedule ulit. Gusto kong mapakita sa inyo yung video. So, ito na po. Nandito na tayo sa portion na to. Orientation. Ayan. Okay. Next. So, ito po yung sample videos. Video na pwede ninyong mapanood sa LMS. Just play it briefly.
Hello, greetings. I'm George GQ Vitoriano and I'd like to welcome you to Sulong Trabaho, Career Assessment and Coaching. Today is our day 1 and I hope you're all excited.
Okay, so yun po. Ito po yung hindi available sa Facebook. So sa LMS nyo po talaga siya ma-access. So anyway, yun lang po. Click ng next para makapunta kayo sa iba't ibang portions. And don't be afraid to explore yung iba pang pwedeng ma-explore dito sa LMS. User-friendly naman po siya. And if you are experiencing technical difficulties, just feel free to contact me. Alam niyo naman po yung cellphone number ko. So, balik tayo sa modules. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan po. Okay na tayo sa day 0. And then, day 1 din na-access na natin. Kapag po na-complete, for example, ako, dinaanan ko lang, hindi ko pa na-complete. Wala pong check mark yan dito. Ayan. So, yung day 2 po, as you can see, naka-lock pa siya kasi later pa siya ma-unlock 4 p.m. Okay. So, that's it. Basically, yun lang naman po yung kailangan ninyong malaman when it comes to accessing your LMS account. So, I'll stop share na po and then I'll open the floor for the Q&A. Okay, let me check the chat box kung meron pa kung may mga tanong. Okay, you can do LMS any time of the day, just before 3 p.m. Yes, Miss Shira, you're right. Kailangan lang po talaga na nagawa ninyo yung mga exercises, napanood ninyo yung videos prior the plenary coaching session. Kasi or else hindi po kayo makaka-relate sa topic or sa pag-uusapan. Yes, Miss G, same Zoom link for later. Until day 5, lahat po ng live session natin will be using the same Zoom link. Meron ba akong na-miss? Wait, just have to backread. So, mga hindi pa na-accept sa FB page. Okay. Thank you for asking this question, no? Ganito po, para maayos yung sistema natin. Para sa mga participants na hindi pa na-accept sa Facebook, all you have to do is to Kasi number one po prerequisite is to activate your LMS account. 2 muna talaga. Number one. And then second is saka namin kayo i-approve sa Facebook. So, chine-check po muna kasi namin kung na-activate niyo na or hindi. If na-activate niyo na and then nakapag-send na kayo ng request sa Facebook, message me through my number na nakapag-send na kami, kindly double check para lang po ma-heads up ako. Mas mabilis po akong mag-reply via text. Okay? Sino pa po yung may tanong? Morning, ma'am. What if po hindi pa na-accept? Okay. Walang audio? Oh, sorry. Miss Lenny Rose? Until now po ba, wala pa ring audio, Miss Lenny? Miss Vanessa din. Kasi po, pag mag-join po kayo ng Zoom, you have to click po yung join, computer audio or dial. Meron po yun eh. Pag papasok kayo ng Zoom, may option pong lalabas na join off. Yup. Yung nasa left side. Okay. Yeah, Miss Beverly Ann Paes. Yes, perfect po itong training program para sa mga matagal nang walang trabaho. And magkaka-access pa po kayo if interesado kayo mag-apply dun nga po sa Oplan Trabaho Facebook group. Oh, yung daming hindi nakarinig sa akin. Para sa mga, okay, hindi ko alam kung naririnig pa rin nila ako, magta-type na lang siguro ako. But for those people na hindi ako narinig, I'll do another round na lang of orientation after the plenary coaching session later. So I'll ask those people na kung sino pa gusto magstay after 3 to 4 na para ulitin ko ulit yung demo natin. Ganun na lang siguro. And then, from 10 a.m. to 4 kami naka-Zoom. Yes, Miss Francie. Yeah, 10 a.m. No, hindi. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. LMS. 3 o'clock to 4 p.m. Zoom. Malinaw po ba? Use your reaction button kung nagets po ninyo. Based po sa pinakita kong schedule kanina, 10 a.m. on the succeeding days, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. LMS, 3 o'clock to 4 p.m. plenary coaching session via Zoom. Lahat po ng live via Zoom, lahat po ng hindi live sa LMS. Yeah. Pwede gawin yung LMS kahit hindi sa oras, but make sure na natapos din nyo bago yung 3 to 4. And on Friday, bago matapos yung Friday, na kumpleto nyo na yung modules para matag kayo as graduates. Sino pa? Ano pa? Meron pa ba? Yeah. Na-address ko naman na. Hindi ko na ma-open yung LMS ko. Hindi ko na save yung email at password. Miss Mary Chris de Asis. I'll call you na lang po, Miss Mary Chris. I'll call you later. Mary Chris de Asis. I'll take note of that. Tawagan ko po kayo, ma'am. Assist ko po kayo. Who else? Magsisend ba kayo ng link ng Zoom mamaya? Sa Facebook group po natin. Kasi kaya nga po kailangan lahat naka-join sana sa Facebook group. Kasi yung reminders from time to time andun. Pwede po, ask ko lang po, may group chat po ba? Pwede po kayo mag-message sa One Bayan. Ay, no. Bayan Academy Base. Meron pa po tayong photo off after this kasi dun ko po i-base yung sino yung mga nag-attend. within the day. Hi, ma'am. Say, for example, natapos po activities within the day, then nag-open yung day 2 to 4 p.m. Pwede na po ba sagutan yan? Yes, yes. Pwede na po. Okay, good. Attendance is, magpo-photo op po tayo, tapos yun yung basis ko for attendance. Si Miss Gisette, hindi mag-join sa Zoom, mag-answer na lang sa module kasi isang device lang ginagamit ko sa iPhone lang. I suggest you, mag-join po kayo nung, plenary coaching session kasi sayang naman po i-maximize po natin yung facilitator natin to ask questions. Okay. Meron pa ba? Ayan, nag-send si Sir Kenny kung paano sa mga hindi nakakarinig. Ano pa? Yeah. Good question, Miss Jen Parungao. Yes, all the live plenary coaching sessions will be recorded and then we will post it on Facebook. Si Miss Gisette, may question ulit. Technical issues na to about the survey. Tatawagan ko na lang kayo, ma'am. Ano pa ba mga... Yes, Miss G, you can access the lessons anytime. Kahit tapos na po itong training program natin, meron pa rin po kayong access sa LMS at pwede niyong balik-balikan yung mga lectures at saka yung mga videos. Okay. Meron pa po ba pahabol? Ms. Shira, please text me na lang po para hindi ko makalimutan, please. If you have other concerns, text nyo na lang po ako, re-replyan ko po kayo. So far, so good. Contact number ko. Wait. Ito. Okay, sige. Before we end, I just have a few reminders. I'll put it in the chat box para mabasa ng lahat. Miss Myla, can you just unmute? Mag-unmute na lang po kayo and then tell me your question para marinig din po ng iba.
No, I saw that this session is being recorded. May nangyari kasi kanina around mga 2 or 3 minutes na lumabas ako ng session. So medyo kung may na-miss ako.
Yes, Miss Myla, ilalagay po namin sa Facebook group natin.
Okay. This session.
Apo, yes, this session. And all the live sessions po, ilalagay sa Facebook group.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay po, welcome. Ano pa? Okay, so ayan, you may now access the day 1 module in the LMS. Bilisan ko na po kasi 10:50 na eh. Plenary coaching session later at 3 to 4 p.m. We'll be using the same Zoom link. Para sa mga hindi pa member ng Sulong Trabaho Facebook group, kindly send your requests. Ito po yung cellphone number ko para po dun sa mga may kailangan. And then, para po dun sa mga interesado pa na mag-avail ng free training program ng Bayan Academy, para po maging updated kayo, follow nyo po yung Facebook page ng Bayan Academy. Okay. That's it. So far, sobra ba yung number ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, tama naman yung number ko. Tama po yung number ko. May dash lang. Okay. So far, okay po? Or may tanong pa? Last pahabol. If okay na po, thumbs up everyone, please. Para alam ko po. Okay, so mag-photo op na po tayo. May I request everyone to open their cameras. This is for attendance purposes. Color review. Okay. Open your cam, please. Okay, no problem, Miss Marisa. Okay, game. Medyo 5 batch to ng photo op. Ang dami ninyo. Game. Magpi-print screen lang po ako, ha? Saglit lang po. Maribel Garma. Okay. Teka lang po, isa-isahin ko, ha? Okay, next. Okay lang po yan. Hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-smile. Kasi for ano lang po attendance. Later po tayo after ng plenary coaching session. Kaya mahalaga po yung name sana. Complete. Okay. Next to print screen. Okay, and then last. Yes, yes. Later po sana yung mga hindi pa complete yung name. Si Miss Celine, si Sir Abner. Okay, so I think na napicturean ko naman na po lahat ng participants. May nagme-message pa rin. Yung may kailangan po ng assistance when it comes to changing your name sa Zoom, ano na lang po. I-message nyo lang po sa akin yung mga hindi nakakomplete yung name and then I'll take note na lang po sa attendance natin. Okay, so yun lang po. Pasensya na sobrang nag-overtime na tayo. Thank you very much for coming to our course orientation. And I'll see you later with Sir Rodmark at 3 to 4 p.m. for our live plenary coaching session. Maraming salamat po ulit. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Mom.
Bye.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Bye, Ma'am.
May karton.
Lip ko na kasi mamaya na naman daw.
Lip mo. Then may makeup.